All right, up next are the folks who serve.
Hey guys, my name is Pav. This is Josh. We're both from Georgia Tech. Yeah. So I run Hack GT, which is happening in 2 weeks, and we send people to hackathons all the time, and we always love to have new hackers. And actually, Josh here, this is his first hackathon, so give a round of applause for him. So we love to bring new hackers on board, and we especially love to bring engineers. But one of the main problems that we have when we bring these guys on is that they have absolutely no idea what a server is. And that whole concept just flies through their head. They're like, oh my God, things happen on the interwebs and stuff. So we made Serve to help those guys, because at Georgia Tech, every single engineering student is required to learn a language. And they learn either MATLAB or Python. So they know how to do functional programming. They can write functions, do logic, call them, and do all that. So that's why we made Serve. So Serve is a backend as a service, but instead of spawning instances, we spawn functions. And I'll show you how that works right now. So on here, you can literally write Python functions as you. So the thing we have here is a user auth, and so you can write a new user function that takes in a username and a password, and you can literally write a function. You go over to generate method. It'll generate a ghost method that you can put in your local app, and you can call this method. That method will call our server, which will spawn a Docker container that will run the code that you put in. And the magic sauce is that not only can you write Python methods there, but you can use normal Python file I/O. So we literally are just opening files there. And other functions that you put on here that are on completely separate Docker containers can also use that same file, even though they're on separate containers, separate images, everything. We'll do all of the record keeping for you, and you guys just pretend like you're on your local machine. So how many of you guys spent so long getting your server set up? And
all right, dude, that's time. Let's give it up for Serve. Way to go.